Hey there, amazing kids! Welcome to Funimation 3D iKids and Family Cartoon, the place where we dive into fun science, mind-blowing experiments, and all things cool and awesome. Today, we're going to do something super exciting. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to see a volcano erupt? Well, guess what? You're going to see one right here in this video, a mini volcano eruption, and it's going to be so much fun! Are you ready to explore chemistry with a bang? Let's get started! Volcanoes are super powerful, right? When they erupt, they send hot lava shooting into the sky. But don't worry, this is just a mini volcano, and it's perfectly safe. We'll be using some simple ingredients you can find at home to create a volcanic eruption right in your kitchen. Ready for the science magic? Let's talk about how this experiment works. In a real volcano, there's a lot of heat and pressure building up inside the Earth. This pressure causes the hot molten rock, or lava, to escape and shoot out of the volcano. In our mini volcano, we won't have lava, but we'll make a fizzy eruption using baking soda and vinegar. Yes, it's just like magic. So, what's happening here? When baking soda and vinegar mix together, they create a chemical reaction that produces gas. This gas builds up inside the volcano and pushes its way out in a big fizzing eruption. It's like a bubbly explosion, but way safer and way cooler. Let's take a quick look at the materials we need. Here's what you'll need for this fun experiment. A small bottle or container. This will be the volcano. Baking soda. This is the ingredient that will make the volcano fizz. Vinegar. This is what reacts with the baking soda to make the eruption happen. A tray to catch all the fizz. It can get a little messy, so you'll want to keep things tidy. Food coloring. If you want to make it look like real lava, you can add some red or orange food coloring to your vinegar. A small funnel. Optional, but it can make adding the baking soda easier. Okay, now that we have everything we need, it's time to build our volcano. Step 1. Place the small bottle or container in the center of your tray. This will be the base of your volcano, so make sure it's sitting up straight. Step 2. Next, you'll want to build the volcano around the bottle. You can use clay, Play-Doh, or even paper mache if you have it. Just make sure the top of the bottle is open, so the lava can spill out when it erupts. You can make the volcano as big and as dramatic as you like. The more creative, the better. Step 3. Once your volcano is ready, it's time to add the baking soda. Use your funnel, if you have one, to pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda into the bottle. Make sure it's nice and full, because this is what will make the eruption happen. Step 4. Now, add the vinegar. You can pour the vinegar directly into the bottle or use a small cup to pour it in slowly. If you've added food coloring to the vinegar, the eruption will look just like lava flowing down the sides of your volcano. As soon as the vinegar hits the baking soda, you'll see it start to fizz and bubble. The more vinegar you add, the bigger the eruption will be. Watch carefully as the fizz builds up and starts to spill over the top of the volcano. It's just like a real volcanic eruption, but with bubbles and no danger. Isn't it amazing? But why does this happen? Well, when the vinegar, which is an acid, mixes with the baking soda, which is a base, they react to form carbon dioxide gas. This gas builds up inside the bottle and makes the liquid bubble up and overflow. That's what causes the eruption. It's like a little chemistry explosion right in front of your eyes. Now, if you want to do the experiment again, all you need to do is add more baking soda and vinegar to the bottle. You can even try different amounts of each to see how big or small you can make the eruption. Experimenting is part of the fun, so go ahead and try out new things. This is such a fun and easy way to learn about chemical reactions and volcanoes. You might be surprised at how something as simple as baking soda and vinegar can make such a cool eruption. And the best part? You can do this experiment over and over again. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. A volcano erupts when pressure builds up inside it and pushes out hot lava. In our mini volcano, the pressure builds up when baking soda and vinegar react to create gas. This gas pushes the liquid up and out of the volcano, causing a fizzy, bubbly eruption. The fun part is that you can experiment with how much baking soda and vinegar you use to make the eruption bigger or smaller. So, what did you think of our mini volcano eruption? Wasn't it awesome? Now you know a little bit of the chemistry behind it and how to create your very own volcanic eruption at home. Before we finish, don't forget, science is all about experimenting, making discoveries, and having fun. So try your own volcano eruptions, try different colors, and see what happens when you change the ingredients. If you had fun today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Funimation 3D iKids and Family Cartoon for more fun experiments and exciting science adventures. We love having you here with us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, science is awesome, and there's always something new to discover. Keep exploring, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.